And Shiv Sena UBT MP Priyanka Chaturvedi has made a remark, "Mera baap gaddar hai," against Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde's son Shrikant Shinde. Now, Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has reacted to this remark. Shinde said, and I quote, "The words used for me are applied to them because in 2019 they abandoned the ideology of Bala Saheb Thackeray." So, a war of words has erupted between Shiv Sena UBT and the Maharashtra Chief Minister. Let's listen into what Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde said.
क्या है उसके लिए जो हमारे को जो शब्द यूज करते हैं वो उनको लागू होता है, क्योंकि 2019 में उन्होंने बाला साहेब ठाकरे जी के विचार को खो दिया, विचार छोड़ दिया। वो बाप बदलने की बात करते हैं, लेकिन उन्होंने पिताजी के, मैं बाप नहीं कहूँगा, पिताजी के विचार को बेचा है। इतना बड़ा पाप किया है उन्होंने, उनको कभी जनता माफ नहीं करेगी। तो हमारे को जो हमारे लिए जो शब्द प्रयोग करते हैं वो एक्चुअल उनके लिए है, क्योंकि 2019 में उन्होंने मित्र के साथ गद्दारी की, महाराष्ट्र की जनता के साथ धोखा दिया।
And Vinaya Deshpande continues to stay with us. Vinaya, so amid the poll season, personal attacks continue. This time, Priyanka Chaturvedi from the Shiv Sena UBT has attacked Maharashtra Chief Minister and his son.
Well, yes, Anjali, this is in response to Priyanka Chaturvedi's comments made 2 days ago during a campaign rally here in Mumbai, where she said, where she recalled a famous dialogue from a movie and said that it was on the forehead of Shrikant Shinde that it should be written that "Mera baap gaddar hai." This is with the kind of retort that we have been seeing has been prevalent in Maharashtra's politics between the two Senas, where Uddhav Thackeray and the entire MVA dispensation had been referring to Eknath Shinde and group as gaddars. Now, as the political election season has picked up, it was the same line that Priyanka Chaturvedi has picked up, but the fact that she has hit out at the Chief Minister's son and sitting MP Shrikant Shinde has definitely not gone down well with the Eknath Shinde group Shiv Sena, which has hit back at her, while Eknath Shinde has been very measured with respect to his responses. His entire team of leaders has hit out quite vociferously at Priyanka Chaturvedi, saying that this was in fact something that should be written on the forehead of Aditya Thackeray. Sanjay Nirupam, while responding to this, said that if Priyanka Chaturvedi says that "Mera baap gaddar hai" has to be written on Shrikant Shinde's forehead, then Aditya Thackeray's forehead should have "Mera baap maha gaddar hai" kind of a remark. So it is a war of words, election season. This is not something new that Maharashtra has seen. We are seeing that the war of words continues here. Back to you.
All right, Vinaya, please stay with us. Let's listen into what Priyanka Chaturvedi actually said.
सोचिए, ठाकरे साहब के बगैर कोई शिवसेना है? शिवसेना ठाकरे इसके बगैर कोई है? एकनाथ शिंदे कौन आए तू? कौन आए तू? कौन आए तू? तो उनको जाना जरूरी है, थाने तक की आवाज पहुंचना जरूरी है। गद्दार गद्दार ही रहेगा। एक पिक्चर आई थी, आपको याद होगी, दीवार। दीवार में वो अमिताभ बच्चन अपना हाथ दिखाते हैं, उस पे लिखा है "मेरा बाप चोर है"। ये इनके माथे पे लगा है, श्रीकांत शिंदे के माथे पे लिखा है "मेरा बाप गद्दार है"। तो मैं बस इसमें ज्यादा बोलना नहीं चाहूंगी। जनता बहुत समझदार है, जनता के विवेक पे छोड़ना